guys, what's up? It's me, looksbylottie, and welcome to today's video. If this is your first time here on my channel, then welcome. I'm so glad that you're here today. Go ahead and subscribe down below if you like to watch videos about makeup, because I post every Tuesday and Friday / Saturday / whatever day this video is coming up. If this is your second, third, fourth, or how many other times you've been here on my channel, then welcome back. I'm so glad to see you here again, despite my messy upload schedule. Today, we're just doing a good old-fashioned makeup tutorial. It's gonna feature a little bit of color. It's not all gonna be nudes. I know, shocking. I wanted to start doing more makeup tutorials. I know my friend Slightly Unblended does makeup tutorials, I think, every Sunday. Like, she does like a review kind of post once a week, and then she does a makeup tutorial on the other day. So I think I want to start doing a schedule like that, especially with Halloween coming up. I mean, I think Halloween will be mostly all tutorials. I'm really excited. I already am getting some ideas lined up. Might start pre-filming. We'll see. Maybe I'll bring some guest artists. That could be fun. As you guys saw in the title, this is going to be a Starry Skies theme, because there were some lashes that went viral that had like little decorations at the end. I think the ones that went viral were the ones with butterflies. For some reason, the brand's name is not on the box, but I will leave their shop down in my description box so you can check them out. The ones I picked up have little stars on them. Don't know if it'll pick it up. Oh yeah, you guys see those little stars? So I felt inspired to do starry themed makeup. So we're gonna do that. First, I'm gonna be taking the Michaela X Glam Light palette, and I know that I film my stuff backwards, but that's because I don't like how I looked flipped. See, I just don't look right. Maybe someday I'll get out of my insecurities, but today is not that day. But I'm gonna start with the shade Mass Hole, and we are going to put it in my crease. Next up, we're gonna go into this random Morphe palette. I don't know, it was made with like some really small influencer that nobody cares about anymore. But I'm gonna be taking this dark blue shade right here, and I'm gonna be putting it all over my lid. I put a little bit of that same shade on my brush, and I'm gonna blend it into Mass Hole a little bit, just so things look really smooth and nice and pretty, because that's like half the point. I'm now taking this light blue shade that I hit pan on in the same palette, and I'm just going to lightly dust the top of all the shadow. And now I'm just cleaning this all up on a fluffy brush, just making sure that blend is really nice and pretty. Emphasis on trying. Okay, I'm kind of scared for this next part because I've never actually done something like this before. But a long time ago, my friend gave me this glitter from Naked Cosmetics. She got it in an Ipsy Glam box, and she doesn't use glitter, so she gave it to me. And I think this is in the shade Heavy Metal. It's this nice, really metallic shimmer. I mean, aren't all shimmers metallic? I don't have any glitter glue on me, so I'm going to just like top some lash glue on my lid. This is gonna be a disaster, isn't it? Just try and get it all over. Kind of make it thin so it doesn't all like clump up in one place, you know? Because I think I've done that before with glitter. And then kind of bring it up into my crease as well, so we can kind of give it a gradient effect. I've completely ruined this, so that's great. And now I'm going to carefully top the glitter on. Okay, I think this overall worked, except you can kind of tell right here where there's like a couple like straight up lines of lash glue, because it's kind of a different color, and I don't know if I'll be able to fix that. But because of my hooded eyes, hooded eyes, it doesn't show as much. So now I'm putting on some mascara. You're very lucky that I didn't poke my eye out. Anyways, as I was saying, I'm putting on some mascara, and then I will be putting on the Star Lash. What's interesting about this is that it seems pre-trimmed, probably because they didn't want you to cut off any of the stars. But I put it on and it doesn't even cover, like it covers like basically all I need in my eye. So snaps and claps to them. And just like that, we have one eye done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I will be right back. Woo! Okay, I also went and put my base on because why not? But we are gonna be finishing up this eye, basically using the shades that we used before, darkest to lightest on the lower lash line. Let's go. All right, now let's do the face. We're gonna add some details in later, but we gotta, bring some color back because I look whack. For bronzer, we're gonna use the Juvia's Place Duo Bronzer. I think I'm gonna use a cool tone shade for this look. Then I'm using this Kylie Cosmetics blush in shade Close to Perfect. And then for highlighter, we're gonna use this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills in shade So Hollywood. To my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm gonna add the KVD Dazzle Stick. This is in the shade, what shade is it? Hail Surge. And just for a little bit of fun, I'm gonna add it to my nose highlight as well, because I want them to see me from the moon. Now is we're gonna add a little bit of fun. I'm taking this Glittery Obsessed Glitter Gel from the Animal Crossing X Color Pop collab, and this is in the shade Billionaire, and it's this really beautiful gold. And just for funsies, we're just gonna kind of, scatter this around my face, kind of like they're freckles.
Another freckle look, Charlotte?
Yes, because I like creative freckles. Is it coming off on camera? It better. Just to add things pop even more, I'm gonna add a little bit more of Hail Surge onto my glitter freckles. Because this look is so big and bold, I do have to fill in my brows because it kind of looks ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie. I think for this look, I want to stand out and be bold, so I just picked up this Kylie Cosmetics lip kit. This is a new formula in the shade Bite Me. Rawr. Lastly, I'm gonna take a gloss, and this is a new brand. So the brand Le Renee reached out to me via email and sent me their summer gloss collection. You probably saw my post about it on Instagram, but these glosses are like so nice and they're just very hydrating, and they're also very pigmented. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. You can also use my code looksbylottie for 15% off. Today we're gonna go into the shade Hot Girl, which I'm a hot girl. Also has a really sweet scent. Alright guys, I will see you in a second with my final transformation look. Wow. Okay, we have brought back the side part and we are here. I think we need to do a close-up. Hey Google, roll the montage. Sorry, I didn't understand. And to top it all off, we are going to spray a little bit of cocktail dress from Bath & Body Works. Smells like sophistication. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate every single one of you guys who decided to take a chance and look at my face today. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Make sure you are subscribed and also turn on those post notifications so you know when I post my next video. Because at this point, who knows when I'm gonna post it? Now I'm gonna look at some stars. Oh wait, I live in South Carolina where it rains all August. I guess I can look at them on my computer screen. With that being said, I already have the next video already set and done, so you will have an upload on Tuesday. So I will see you then. Bye!